You can see all of the Paklinski Islands from here.
Now you're summarizing it. Now it looks like this. Oh my god.
So also if you like to
it's I see what you meant. Yes. Oh my god. Really?
Yeah, or by now.
Such an authentic place.
Where do you come from? Finland. Finland? Yeah. Ah, Stirano. Not cup. Finally, from wood oven. This is typical from Dalmatia, not iron bell coming from the coast. Everyone's house before have a wood oven, bread oven, Krishna thing. Before we use that, my father, my grandfather used always wood oven, not pekka. Pekka is same, but not traditional from Hvar. Tot istina. Esa mai Matia, că este Jackie. Mi-a ca copina e mentira.
Dig in, girls.
They're so cool. They fly very look at the shadow. Yeah, they're like
Izvolite, dobar tek.
Hvala.
beautiful. So many different colors also.
Guys, cheers.
Cheers. Thank you for the opportunity. Let's take
Thank
this.
you.
Thank you.